Hey everyone, it's been a while since I made a video talking about investing in stocks, but I'm back. In this video, I'll talk about my short-term plans investing in this bear market. Also, at the end of this video, I have a bonus for you guys. I'm going to reveal one stock that I'm going to increase my position for long-term investment. Bottom line is that I'm building up my cash reserve for two main purposes. One, I'm actually in the process of buying a house, and two, I'm saving more cash so I can buy quality stocks. I can talk about the home purchase in another video, but let's talk about the recent bear market and my investing plans during these downtimes. With my extra cash reserves, I'll do the following. Number one, buy quality stocks. Two, don't overpay for these quality stocks. And three, patience. Have patience. For number one, I'm planning to load up more on stocks such as Microsoft, Apple, Tesla. These stocks are my go-to, and I have positions in all of these three stocks. These are just my primary examples of stocks that I'm confident that will keep going up in the long run. Number two, with the recent bear market, I believe that it is the best time to buy Microsoft, Apple, and other tech stocks during this sale. So if they're red, just if you have the opportunity, if you have the cash, just keep loading up. Case in point, I'm still up on my other portfolio since the March 2020 crash due to the ongoing pandemic. This brings up an important question though. When is the best time to buy? The best time to buy is when your favorite quality stocks are red, when they're on sale. Another technique I use is to dollar cost average. For example, I allocate $200 to $300 a month in my M1 finance portfolio. I have videos sharing my M1 finance portfolio gains. It's going to be on top, and buy quality stocks. My technique is buy and forget. By dollar cost averaging, investing in the long run, I don't care whether or not we have a bearish or bullish market. As long as I'm invested, I'm pretty good. And number three, once you buy these quality stocks when they're on sale, just be patient and let the compounding interest work in your favor. If you look at the market in the last 10 years, it tends to go up. Just have patience. Last but not least, I'm also looking to increase my Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR position. I believe in Alex Karp and the vision of Palantir. With the recent hiring and all the activities surrounding Palantir is in the position for a uptrend in the future. So I know that Palantir's been down, but I truly believe in the company, so I'm going to increase my position. There's a massive potential with Palantir and what they offer to customers. And those, my friends, are my investing tips during this market correction. Again, stay invested and take care. Invest at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I create these videos for informational, educational purposes only. So if you want your professional investment advice, I suggest that you seek a professional. So with that being said, if you have any comments, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.